Isn't it finally time to allow your team to work smarter, making better use of their time and energy? This solution is the Trailblazer Transporter, a strong and versatile motorized carrier. From transporting gravel for trail building to hauling heavy materials up and down slopes, the Trailblazer will enable you to access those narrow areas around your job site that your large machines cannot. It can even climb stairs. We've given this heavy hauler dual track drives that enable the machine to just roll up and over obstacles that used to force your crew to manually haul or work around. Equally important are the Trailblazer's brake steering system that navigates like a tank. Brake right, brake left, turn left. This easy turning system makes it ideal for hauling around tight corners. The Trailblazer uses a 3.5 horsepower Honda GX120 engine to power maximum payload up to 650 pounds. Making this motorized carrier a more versatile hauler is the capability to expand or completely remove the 3 front walls of the Trailblazer's bed. The normal bed size without expanding the walls measures 36 inches long by 23 inches wide. Fully expanded, the Trailblazer's walls measure 46 inches long by 37 inches wide. This flexibility enables your team to adjust the carrier to the different sizes of materials needing to be hauled, whether it be an appliance, long beams, gravel, large rocks, or literally anything needing transportation from one location to another. If your crew is still hauling heavy materials with a manual wheelbarrow, we've got the machine to help your team work more efficiently. Let the Trailblazer Transporter do all the heavy hauling through those narrow pathways and across your job sites.